Yes, I'm back, and you want to know who I'm fighting. But I'm glad to say the next victim is Tony the Bellend Bellew. The guy's going to get completely destroyed at the O2 Arena on March the 4th. No, this ain't no movie now. I know he's starting Creed, no directors, no stuntmen, no cut, none of that. This is for real. This is for keeps, and this is the fight that I want. This is the fight that the fans want to see, because they want to see him get absolutely annihilated. Every time I'm in Liverpool, I get nothing but people saying, knock out that Bellend, hashtag Bellend Bellew. So here we go. Him and his team are going to get absolutely destroyed, like they always do anyway. So right hand, left hook to the body, he sinks to the floor. I'm the winner, plain and simple. Oh, I can't wait for it. It's something that's really going to get me fired up and excited. Woo! Let's do it, baby.